Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Samira, aka MelaninPrincess.
Keep it 100, nigga, nothing lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciaga's when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah. Shout out my cousin, he just beat a felony. I can't be fucking with niggas with jealousy.
If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And if you are new to this channel, you know what to do. You have to keep on watching. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick and simple everyday look that I normally do for my work days, for maybe lunch, brunches with my friends, maybe a little small dinner with my man, or whatever the case may be, something quick and I don't feel like getting all glammed up. So this is the look, and if you are interested in learning how to do this without foundation, let's get into this video.
Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna be looking like, I may be looking as if I'm not looking at the camera, but I'm looking at the mirror because I can't look at the camera and do my makeup.
One team and one goal. No, this is not Kim Kardashian's starter kit. This is Samira describing how she is gonna precisely do her makeup. As you can see, she has a pen. Anastasia brow pencil is also another pencil that you can use to color your eyebrows. Okay, LA Colors Concealer. What it does is it conceals the color and it kind of matches everything and give it a if you have premium YouTube. But if you got bootleg YouTube, you just gotta go with the speed. You heard me? Now she has a black Radiant contour palette. And look at her, brush it away, give it that high cheekbone look. Like Grace Jones, pull up to the bumper, baby. Look at that motor scooter, like my daddy say. Look at that motor scooter.
So if you really like this look, if you like this color on me, I'm super loving this red on me. Like, I am falling in love with it every time that I see it. But I just added a cute little curls to it, nothing more, nothing less, with, you know, my little studs, nothing, so slight. But this is pretty much how I do my everyday look, and as you guys can see, it was no foundation involved, and it looks like I have a full glam. Like, that is the tea, sis. Everybody's always saying like, oh my gosh, it looks like you have foundation on. Baby, no, I ain't got none besides a little bit of concealer. You can do foundation, but this is the look without the foundation. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and as well as my church always says and lets me know, and I'm gonna let you guys know, I love you and there's nothing that you can do about it, point blank, period. And I'm signing off. Peace.